Yes, ma. Good morning, all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am,
morning, ma. Yeah. Can anyone
Morning,
say
ma'am.
what we have discussed yesterday? Quick revision, and then we'll start the class. Like, see, kernel and security management. As like we have seen the different components of the operating system, right? What were they? If you could remember, can anyone
file
quickly listen?
management,
File
Yeah.
management.
memory management, and device
Memory.
drivers.
Yeah.
Memory
Yeah.
management, and device
Yeah.
drivers.
Yeah.
And desktop.
Yeah, and also we learned shell. No, shell.
No.
Kernel is out.
User interface. User interface.
User interface.
Yeah. What is user interface? Tell me. Like, what do you have? The two important points. One is command based, the other is GUI. Command is command line
Yeah,
interpreter, the other one is
graphical interface.
graphical iconic representation. Then what do you have? You have creation of like process. Yes, process management, where there will be process manager or task manager. Yes or no? So
Yes.
what does that happen? Creation and deletion of process, suspension and resumption of processes, and maintaining like seeing that there is proper CPU schedule time is given, and moreover, yes, there should be no deadlocks. What do you mean by deadlock?
When
When two
Yeah,
when
when
two of the programs will fight for time, something like that.
for same thing,
Yeah, same thing.
and there is no enough place for both of them.
one process is being put on hold for the resource which has to be released by another process, then you call it as a deadlock situation, where the operating system has to be taken has to take care about this deadlock situation. This is all about your process. Okay. And what was the next one? File management. What do you mean by that?
It
File
manages the
management,
file,
creation, deletion of files, and
Yes.
naming
controls
files.
the files,
Uh,
and it changes the files.
Yeah. And what was there? Renaming the file. Yes or no? Like
yeah,
Yes.
creation, deletion,
renaming.
modifying the existing files, and then like whatever the data, like you have directory system. Yes or no? Like number of
Yes,
the collection of files, you call it as a directory.
yes.
Yeah. And still, what we have seen, ma? What do you mean by device drivers?
Memory
Yeah,
management.
memory management. Yes. What do you mean by memory management?
Memory management, when
Memory
like
management is
they will
something.
decide when space is available, so they will try to they will, what will say,
Like
um,
checking out whatever the processes are important, what processes are not important. Yes. And
yeah,
taking care of the memory, like from the buffers,
Tools.
registers. Yes. Main memory
Cache.
and
cache memory,
secondary.
RAM.
Yes. And
Storage.
the utilization of the memory is taken care by the operating system with the help of the memory manager.
Operating
Then we
system.
have seen, yes, the last one which we have seen was,
Device drivers.
yes. What do you mean by device drivers? Like, see, for plugging in the devices, or you could say, like, what are the devices? Like, probably the secondary storage, like pen drives or hard disks or compact disks, etc. The device drivers will be different when compared to your DOS, disk operating system, which is command based, and moreover, your um, Windows operating system, which is a GUI. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in simple words, what is device driver?
Device driver means you are plugging in the device. Yes or no?
Yes.
वो कहाँ plug कर रहे, that is what you call it as device drivers.
Okay, it's like connector.
The slots or the hubs, which you could say. Okay, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Still any doubts in yesterday's class? And I don't know why the people are not joining wantedly. Huh? Yes. ते आता बरा नाही. ते दूध बरा नाही की. Yes. No. So we'll see what is kernel. Actually, as I said, there will be like operating system. We know it manages the hardware and the software of the system. Like means basically it is an interface which provides interaction between the user and the hardware of the system. Yes or no? So now when we discuss about kernel, as operating system we call it as the backbone of the computer. We call the kernel as the heart of the operating system. Like how it will be, I'll tell you. 1 second. Yes, if you could see, as I said yesterday also, like there will be operating system where there will be the kernel, and then within the shell,
Shell.
like the operating system, the kernel, and the
Shell.
shell. So what is it? Is again, it manages both the hardware and the software. Like you could call it as the heart of the operating system. The kernel, you call it as the heart of the operating system.
Operating system.
Okay. So now if I want to discuss what are left over, like security management. Yes, what do you mean by security management? Means, like, see, not accessing any of the intruders, or denying the unauthorized access, you call it as the security, like where the security will be provided. Yeah, now you could see it clearly, I guess. Yeah. So the operating system provides access to number of resources directly or indirectly, such as the files which are like local disk or whatever the devices, like we don't know. But when giving the access to some users or some certain things, okay, within the computer only, automatically the data has to be shared for some sort of work to be accomplished. Then in that case, it is the operating system which has to secure the data, like providing which author or which system to access which data. That is what you call it as security management. Yes, the services offered by the programs running on the system, and the operating system must be capable of differentiating between the requests which should be allowed to be processed and which not to be processed. Yes, it is the operating system which has to be very particular by making use of the security management, like which process has to be given the permission to be processed and which permission to be stopped, because of the authorization and authentication, whether the person is the genuine or not, or and then access has to be given or denied. Okay, that is what you call under security management. Yes, we know what is command interpreter. Yes, we have seen it number of times till now. Command interpreter, like it acts as
Yes.
a translator between the system and the user. Yes or no?
User.
And again you have
Yes,
GUI.
ma'am. Graphical
uh,
user.
yeah, GUI, like you have a screen full of graphical icons or menus,
Graphics.
and
Yes.
allows the user
Okay.
to make a rapid selection. As I have said, by just making use of the graphical icons on the system, the user
Yes.
could locate whatever the programmer or the user wants. Like if it is network connection, obviously it be showed by network, where you can click on that and adjust your network settings. Yes or no? So, and
Yes.
command interpreter, as we have said, command line interface is nothing but it is based on the commands. The next one is the kernel. As I said, it is the heart of the operating system,
Ma'am, in
which
command we
provides the
have to
interface.
type.
Yeah, we have to type, ma. We have to give. We have to give. Just a moment, ma. Yeah, you have to type in, like, see, as I said, if you want to copy, then you have to go with the command as copycon. Okay, if you want to rename, if you want to delete, then del. All these commands are used, ma, like nothing like selection or dragging dropping kuch bhi nahi rehta hai.
There will
Everything
be no
has to be
icons
typed.
on the screen.
Yes, we have to know
Have to
all this.
search.
We have to know these commands. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
What's your doubt? Any doubt, ma?
No, ma'am. No, it's clear.
Yeah. So we have to type the commands. कहाँ पे करते हैं? This is what you call it as like command prompt. A command prompt, when you'll get, I'll show you when coming to the practicals. Okay, how to do the commands in the disk operating system. Well and fine. So kernel, it is the heart of the operating system, which provides an interface between the hardware and the user, like just your operating system. But as like operating system internally, how it functions is by making use of the kernel. It interacts directly with the hardware of the computer through device drivers. Yes, and that are built into the kernel. So the kernel, all the things which we have discussed, like scheduling the CPU time, loading and unloading applications from the memory, and memory management, file management, data security, whatever are there, all these things are taken care by the kernel, which is a vital component of the operating system. Yes, and the only objective of the kernel is to manage the communication between the hardware and the software of the system, and it is responsible for memory management, process management, security management, file management, and disk management. And also, like see, even the kernel, it is also responsible to look after that the resources of the computer and simultaneously the CPU schedules are properly utilized in an efficient manner.
Ma'am, can you tell once again how this kernel is, what we'll say, related to device drivers once again?
Device drivers, as I said, Masi, how it is related means, there is no question of relation, ma. It is the relation, like if you could say, it is the operation. Like within the operating system, there is a component called as the kernel, which performs all these tasks which we are discussing. Abhina, outer layer of operating system we have seen. Yes, like what we have seen, like what does the operating system do? It, the functions of the operating system are like process management, security management, etc., etc. We have discussed all this, yes or no? So
Yes.
but what makes this operating system perform? जैसा कि आपको कंप्यूटर है, कंप्यूटर में CPU is the one which, or the control unit, जैसा कि आप एक एक हिसाब से देख रहे हैं, like CPU has 3 units where each unit performs its own functions. Similarly, operating system constitutes the kernel, like kernel and the shell. The internal programming makes the operating system, which makes the operating system does all the functions which we have discussed.
Yes.
Okay.
And
So as operating system is particular about the user and the hardware, simultaneously the kernel is responsible for taking care about the hardware and the software. And coming to your question, device drivers, as I said, it is a part or the basics of your hardware. Yes or no? Device drivers, they are the part or the component, or what do you say, bifurcation, or one of the units of your hardware. Do you agree or
yes,
not? So
yes.
like see, when you're connecting the printer, or when you're making use of some output device or input device, how is it possible? Digital cameras के लिए एक slot है, scanner के लिए एक slot है. For everything, don't you think all the peripheral devices are connected to the system by means of their, as I said, some sort of ports or connections, slots? Yes
Yeah,
or
having
no? Hubs, whatever.
different type of things.
So that is a relation which you could correlate. Okay.
Yes, understood.
Yes. So we have done with what are the types of operating system. I guess we are clear. And the next one we have is DOS, an overview. And yes, DOS file directory and Windows an overview, which I'll discuss when I'll do the programming. Okay. And this Linux, we'll go through that when needed. Okay. Because Linux, it's an again operating system where we have to go through the commands. Okay. Which I'll take in the end when I complete, like when I'm about to finish off with the syllabus, then I'll take it, ma. Yes.
Okay.
Now we have done with, let me check out. I'll go with girls, have you all checked with unit 1, 2, and 3, like what has to be still covered? In unit 2, we have to do binary arithmetic number system, which we'll do. And we have software, unit 3, and data communication. Yes, and we know what is data, what is communication. Yes, so now you tell me, shall I go with unit 3 or unit 5?
First unit 3 we will do, ma'am.
We'll do with unit 3.
Yes,
Even it is very small unit, like it it's all what we have learned, like software, application software, but in depth. It doesn't mean that I'll skip or go further. We'll learn one after the other, like and you tell me the reason why the girls are not attending, ma. What is the issue? You post in the group, ma, where people are there, no, in your personal group, like what is making them not join the classes?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, and here we'll see about what is compiler, interpreter, all the things we'll learn, and application softwares, what is database, assembly languages, again. Yes, we'll all see this. It's a very small unit. Within hardly 4 to 5 days, we'll finish off, ma. Okay, and still any doubts? Like we are left only with 2 units in general. Okay, moreover. So we know what is software. Yes, what is software? It
Set
is a
of
set of
programs are
programs.
called as
Yes, yes.
software.
Performing
Actually, we
specified
provide
tasks.
we provide instructions to the computer, which is called as the input, and this what do you say, as a combination of programs or a set of computer programs which provide the instructions to the computer, like what to do, how to do, and when to do. These or they are all constitute, like they this makes the definition of the software, like it's a set of programs designed to perform a well defined task. Yes, we know, like if it is some high level programming or it is low level programming, like we had in COBOL, basic, Pascal, and now in high level languages like C, CPP, or Java. Yes, you call, like it is an intangible component of the computer. Intangible means which we cannot
We
feel
cannot
and
touch.
touch. Yes, sir, which we
Yeah, we
cannot
can't touch.
feel it, which we can't feel them physically. That is what you call it as intangible. And we can say all those computer applications of the programs which run behind, yes, which run behind the monitor screen are known as software. अपने को हार्डवेयर दिखता है और सामने दिखता है, but whereas coming to software, we cannot feel them, we cannot see them. It is something which is running at the background. And number of computer programs, like which instruct the computer to perform the task, which instruct the computer, that is called as software. So it could be like shareware, lightware, freeware, public domain, and open source. We'll discuss one after the other. Yes, and what is the need of the software? Like see, now you have the system with all the input devices well and fine, and output devices with all the hardware very well furnished. Imagine there is no Word. Imagine there is no PowerPoint. Imagine there is no software at all. You have the internet, but without the software, do you think the browser works out? It's not.
No.
I'm not talking about the internet connection. Without the software, can you expect, like even the operating system? It also comes under your system software. So without these things, can you expect the system to run? So that is
No.
what the need of the computer system.
There
Like
were no
we know,
programs.
like the software, it enables the user to interact with the computer, the hardware, or to perform tasks. And moreover, without the software, computers would be useless. Yes, we know this. And without your internet browser software, like Internet Explorer or whatever, we cannot surf the internet, we cannot browse, we cannot go through the things. And without an operating system software like the Windows, the browser can't run on your computer. So in short, different tasks performed by the computer system are performed by the software. So
Software.
even we know this, what is application software and what is system software. Yes, if you go through the application software, like yes, the best examples are here: Word, spreadsheet, PowerPoint presentation. And system software is nothing but your, yes, the operating system which makes the system run. Yes or no? So if you could see here, the system software, it is like operating system, utilities, software, and language translators. Yes, this language translators, what you call them as assemblers, compilers, and interpreters, ma. ठीक है ना? So they also come under your system software. The next one is application software. Like see, pre-written application software, customized, general purpose, and special purpose. Okay, we'll go one after the other. See, if you could see here, translators, like you have compilers, interpreters, and assemblers. Yes, we'll discuss one after the other. And utility software, like you have समझो अगर if you are some sort of accessories, what you call it as utility, जैसा कि आपका notepad है, wordpad है, calculator, and some sort of antivirus software, they all come under your utility software. So like utility बोले तो something in usage, yes or no? So what is in usage which makes your system run, the software which makes your system function in a proper manner accordingly. So that you call it as utility, which can be again with the system software or application software. It comes with both things, like though it is only particular, it's not only particular to system software, it could be done with both the system software or application software. Okay, so we'll discuss one after the other just for your understanding. You know what is software, and like with what is the need of software. Moreover, the types of software are system and application software. In system software you have OS, utility software, and the translators. In application you have different types of like general, special, customized, and pre-written, which we'll discuss one after the other. Okay, so I'll end the session here. And I want to inform one thing, like see, there will be no BOM class for today from 1 to 2. I hope you're all listening.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Just a moment. Yes, Lubna, you're listening to the class or posting messages to ma'am?
Here I'm listening, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here only. I will never go leaving class.
You will not go, but doing multitasking हो रहा है वहाँ पे, हाँ? You are listening to the class and responding to the messages in the group. Okay, anyways, okay. So there is no BOM class for today. And you better see, if possible, purchase the textbooks and start learning, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
make
ma'am.
it happen. Don't delay the things. Okay, I'll end the session here for today. I'll
Ma'am,
start. Yeah, I'm taking. So I think if you have any doubts, tomorrow we'll go for one revision class, ma. Okay? Extremely revision as it is Saturday. On Monday, we'll start freshly with our unit. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So tomorrow revision class, I want all you all to participate in the revision very nicely. Okay, not only one or two girls, most of the girls. Okay, so yes, raise your hands, ma. Malakpet girls. Any doubts which have to be asked, Mariam, Sarah?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
That's all 10.
Twelve, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
12, ma'am. Two girls are not raising.
Okay.
Well, are from Malakpet, ma'am. Two girls are not raising.
Okay,
Girls to
12 are
begin
from
on.
Malakpet. Okay, ma. Okay, Mariam, I'm making you the host. Okay, take care about that.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, girls, don't waste your time. And many of the girls, I think now there is no need to post the notes in Google Classroom. Do you think it has to be posted?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
will be
Till
Yes, ma'am.
Monday you post, then because
अच्छा कहाँ से
tomorrow
पोस्ट
will
करना
be the
बोलो?
हैप्पी बोल रहे मैम.
हाँ हाँ.
फ्लैट बेड प्लॉटर तक आप पोस्ट कर दिए थे मैम.
yeah
So that is
printers and
output
plotters.
devices. So memory post नहीं करे शायद नहीं?
No.
नो मैम.
Okay. I'll try to do it ma. ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
Okay. Okay
okay,
ma.
ma'am.
Okay. So
Thank you,
it is
ma'am.
from yeah. Thank you ma. From memory I have to post, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yeah. And what about secondary storage ma? As I discussed.
Post it मैम.
हाँ. I want the girls who have done with the seminar to post. Is it possible?
Yes.
You decide and tell me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Today I'll try to post your notes ma. Okay. ठीक है ना?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you all ma. Take care. Bye bye ma.
Thank you मैम. Thank you.
Yeah ma.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Shall we leave the meeting, ma'am? Session.